Hello, fellow adventurers. Get ready for an epic journey to two amazing cities in the Philippines, Davao City and Baguio City. Did you know that the Philippines has over 7,600 islands? It's true. Today, we're exploring two of the most incredible places in this island paradise. Get ready to be amazed by stunning landscapes, delicious food, and vibrant cultures. Let's go! Davao City, on the island of Mindanao, is a bustling metropolis with a warm heart. Nestled in the southern part of the Philippines, this city is a vibrant blend of urban life and natural beauty. From its towering skyscrapers to its lush green parks, Davao City offers a unique experience for every visitor. The streets are always alive with activity, whether it's the hustle and bustle of daily commuters or the lively nightlife that keeps the city awake. People from all walks of life come together here, creating a melting pot of cultures and traditions. One of the city's most famous attractions is its delicious durian fruit. Known as the king of fruits, durian is celebrated for its strong smell and unique taste. It's a must-try for anyone visiting Davao. The experience of eating durian is unlike any other. As you crack open the spiky shell, you're greeted with a pungent aroma that some find overwhelming, but many locals and adventurous tourists find irresistible. The creamy, custard-like flesh inside is a true delicacy, but Davao is much more than just durian. The city is home to a variety of attractions that cater to all interests. From historical landmarks to modern shopping centers, there's something for everyone. Imagine yourself strolling through the Davao City public market. This bustling marketplace is a treasure trove of local goods and produce. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of mangoes, pineapples, and other tropical fruits. The vibrant colors of the fruits and vegetables are a feast for the eyes, and the friendly vendors are always ready to offer a taste of their freshest produce. It's a sensory experience that captures the essence of Davao. You'll find incredible deals on fresh produce, seafood, and local crafts. The market is a great place to pick up souvenirs or try some of the local delicacies. From handmade crafts to freshly caught seafood, there's no shortage of unique items to discover. It's a feast for the senses. The lively atmosphere, the rich scents, and the vibrant sights all come together to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a foodie, a shopper, or just someone looking to soak in the local culture, Davao City has something special to offer. Davao City is a nature lover's paradise. Nestled in the southeastern part of the Philippines, this vibrant city offers a unique blend of urban life and natural beauty. From its bustling streets to its serene landscapes, Davao is a place where you can experience the best of both worlds. The city is surrounded by lush greenery, pristine beaches, and majestic mountains, making it an ideal destination for those who love the great outdoors. Just a short drive from the city center, you can escape the hustle and bustle and find yourself in the heart of nature. The roads leading out of Davao City are lined with picturesque views of the countryside, offering a scenic drive that is both relaxing and invigorating. Whether you're heading to the mountains or the coast, the journey itself is a treat for the senses. You can find yourself hiking through lush rainforests, swimming in crystal-clear waterfalls, and exploring hidden trails that lead to breathtaking vistas. The rainforests of Davao are teeming with life, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of the region. As you trek through the dense foliage, you'll be surrounded by the sounds of nature, from the chirping of birds to the rustling of leaves, and marveling at exotic wildlife. Davao is home to a variety of unique species, many of which can be found in their natural habitats. From colorful birds to elusive mammals, the wildlife here is truly remarkable. Observing these creatures in their natural environment is a humbling experience, reminding us of the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems. One must-visit spot is the Philippine Eagle Center, a sanctuary dedicated to the conservation of the critically endangered Philippine eagle. This center plays a crucial role in protecting and rehabilitating these magnificent birds, offering visitors a chance to learn about their plight and the efforts being made to save them. Home to the critically endangered Philippine eagle, this center is a beacon of hope for the species. The Philippine eagle is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 7 feet. Seeing these majestic birds up close is a rare and awe-inspiring experience. One of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, the Philippine eagle is a symbol of strength and resilience. Watching it soar through the sky or perch majestically on a branch is a sight to behold. The center provides a safe haven for these birds, allowing them to thrive and hopefully increase their numbers in the wild. Seeing this majestic creature up close is an unforgettable experience. Visitors often leave the center with a renewed sense of appreciation for wildlife and a deeper understanding of the importance of conservation. Davao's natural wonders are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. No trip to Davao City is complete without trying the king of fruits durian. Its pungent aroma might be intimidating at first, but the creamy custard-like flesh is a revelation. Davao's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors. Be sure to try local favorites like kinalaw, sinigang, and adobo. For a sweet treat, indulge in some durian ice cream or durian candy. Section 5. Baguio City, where the clouds kiss the mountains. High up in the Cordillera Mountains lies Baguio City, a charming city known for its cool climate, stunning scenery, and rich cultural heritage. Often called the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio offers a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. Imagine yourself walking through Burnham Park, a picturesque park in the heart of the city. You can go boating on the lake, rent a bike, or simply relax and enjoy the cool mountain air. The park is a haven for both locals and tourists, offering a variety of activities that cater to all ages. As you stroll through the park, you'll notice the vibrant flowers and well-maintained gardens that add a splash of color to the lush greenery. The cool mountain air is invigorating, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely afternoon. But Baguio City is not just about its parks. The city is also home to a rich cultural heritage that is evident in its many landmarks and festivals. One of the most iconic cultural landmarks is the Tam Awan village, a reconstructed Cordillera village that offers a glimpse into the traditional way of life of the indigenous people. Here, you can see traditional Igorot houses and even participate in cultural workshops. Another must-visit is the Baguio Cathedral, a stunning architectural marvel that stands as a testament to the city's rich history. The cathedral's twin spires and stained glass windows are a sight to behold, especially when illuminated by the setting sun. No visit to Baguio would be complete without a trip to the local markets. The Baguio City Market is a bustling hub where you can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and handmade crafts. The market is particularly famous for its strawberries, which are a must-try when you're in the city. As you explore Baguio, you'll also notice the abundance of pine trees that line the streets and parks. These trees not only add to the city's charm, but also contribute to its cool climate. The scent of pine in the air is refreshing and adds to the overall experience of being in this mountain paradise. As the day comes to an end, make sure to catch the sunset over the mountains. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, providing a perfect end to a day of exploration in Baguio City. Whether you're here for the cool climate, the stunning scenery, or the rich cultural heritage, Baguio City truly offers something for everyone. Baguio City is steeped in history and culture. Visit the historic Camp John Hay, a former American military base, and learn about its fascinating past. For art enthusiasts, the Ben Cab Museum is a must-visit. This world-class museum showcases the works of renowned Filipino artist Benedicto Cabrera, as well as traditional Cordillera art and artifacts. Baguio is famous for its strawberries. Head to the strawberry farm in La Trinidad, just a short drive from the city center, and pick your own fresh strawberries. Don't miss out on trying strawberry tahoe, a popular Filipino snack made with silken tofu, strawberry syrup, and sago pearls. Other local delicacies to try include peanut brittle, strawberry jam, and uba jam. Davao City and Baguio City offer unique and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or culinary delights, these cities have something for everyone. So, which city will you choose for your next adventure? We hope this journey through Davao City and Baguio City has inspired you to explore the beauty and wonder of the Philippines. Which city excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other travel guides for more exciting destinations. Happy travels!